Hello, friends, entrepreneurs, and all of you striving for success. Have you ever questioned the need to invest in costly AI tools to excel in your endeavors? The answer, surprisingly, is a resounding no. Allow me to introduce a revolutionary, yet free and potent tool. In this tech-driven age, it's easy to believe that success is tied to mastering every expensive AI tool on the market. But then I discovered a hidden gem, the ChatGPT for Google plugin. This free tool not only challenges this belief but also addresses the common struggle of multitasking. The installation process of this plugin seemed ordinary, simply logging into your ChatGPT account. But once logged in, after refreshing the search results or starting a new search, the results were astonishing. The right side of the search results directly displayed high-quality text generated by ChatGPT, making it an incredibly practical tool. For someone like me, who is constantly searching for information and writing, this tool is a game changer. It eliminates the need for toggling between tabs. You can search and view ChatGPT's content at the same time, freeing up your hands for more critical tasks. I want to stress that this plugin has saved me from the stress of missing crucial information. Amid the rush of work, its core feature allows me to focus solely on the text in the search results, without getting weighed down by complex processes. Moreover, the thinking behind this plugin is quite profound. The fundamental concept is crystal clear, and it's not just a tool but an execution framework to improve your productivity, enabling you to navigate through the sea of information with ease. So, do you really need to invest in all those costly AI tools? The answer is no. With ChatGPT for Google, a free yet powerful tool, you've got the key to success. Follow our channel for top-tier AI tool daily to increase efficiency in work and life. Let's embrace the digital era together. See you next time.